Hey, it's Jack. Tuesday. Now, I got to tell you something. I'm going to do one of my most favorite trading strategies tomorrow, and I want to give you a little heads up on it. So, here's how it works. Now, NVDA is reporting earnings tomorrow, and that's the stock that I'm going to use. Now, if they have great earnings, what's going to happen is in the aftermarket, the stock is going to pop, right? So there's an after hours trading session that you can trade in through Schwab or some of these other brokers that let you trade in this after hours session. So what I like to do is right at the close, like 5 minutes before the close, I want to buy some NVIDIA. I already have over 7,000 shares, but for this trade, I'm going to buy some NVIDIA just for this trade. So I'm going to buy it right before the market closes, and I'm also going to buy a call option, an at-the-money call option. So I'm going to find the strike price that's nearest to the current market price of the stock, and I'm going to buy that call option with an expiration about 2 weeks to a month out. It won't matter because I'm going to sell the option on Thursday when the market opens. So here's the play. Now, if they have great earnings, the stock itself is going to pop in the after hours. So I'll sell that stock in the after hours that I buy right before the close. Report comes out maybe 20 minutes after the close. All kind of crazy action will be happening, so I'll sell it right into that big pop-up. Quickest day trade you'll ever make. Then, second thing I'm going to do is buy that call option where the call has the same strike as the market price on the stock. Now, there's no after-hour session for selling options, so I won't be able to do that. What's going to happen with the options is I'll have to wait till the next morning to sell it, and if the stock is up big, those options will be up even bigger. So that'll be awesome. Now, what if this doesn't work? Well, okay, or what if you want to bet it to the downside? So what you would do is you would short NVIDIA stock, and if it's down in the after hours off that report, you'll make a huge profit. And at the same time, you want to buy a put option with a strike price current to the at-the-money market price of NVIDIA. So if you think the report's going to be bad and the stock is going to go down, you'd short a little NVIDIA right before the close, and you'd buy a put with a strike closest to at-the-money, okay? Now, I think it's going to be to the upside. So I'm going to buy a little NVIDIA right on the close that I plan on selling into the after-hours session, like just a half an hour later. And I'm going to buy that option, which I'll have to hold till the next morning to sell. And in the event of a big pop in the stock, both of them are going to work out great. Now, the last time I did this, it was on NVIDIA, and I told you about it in a video, and I made a lot of money on the stock selling it in that after-hour session. But then when I waited, like you got to do for the options to open the next day, kind of the bloom was off the rose and the stock pulled back. So I made a tiny bit on the option, which you'd think I would have made more on it, but I actually made more on the stock. Anyway, that's my favorite earnings strategy, so check it out.